Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to show you step-by-step process how you can form an LLC in Nebraska. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just scroll down below to the description and click on the link. When you will do it, you'll get on this site called LegalZoom. LegalZoom is an amazing website which is going to help you form your LLC. So you just want to click LLC here, and now just add the name of the company that you created. Check availability, and then just right here enter state Nebraska. In what state would you like to form Stone's company? Nebraska. Okay, search. And now we're gonna see if it's actually available in this country, in this state, sorry. And then just right here, your email address, get my LLC. Right here, when do you want to actually launch? Let's go with a soon. And then launching new business, life-changing move, experience, proficient, peace of mind. Okay, continue. And then is Stone's company your first, or is your company your first LLC? Let's go with a yes. And then what will you actually do? Now we just right here, your segment, you can go like florist, restaurant, I don't know, technology, consulting, whatever, continue. And then will Stone's company have employees? Do you will have companies? It's not employees, it's not that important, but it's like some analyzation here. No. Essential services, so by law, you will require a registered agent, and you will also require specific paperwork and legal documentation to do. Now, LegalZoom is going to offer you registered agent service. So you don't actually need to use different one, but you can. You can see, right, appoint a different registered agent. Continue with LegalZoom, and now you need to have some essential documents. So the first essential document is the operating agreement. You can go with the second, which is like plus EIN, and EIN is important because without it, you can't file taxes or open a bank account. Or you can go with the operating agreement, EIN, and licenses. They're gonna help you with quite federal, state, and local permits and licenses. Again, I recommend going to the middle one or the last one, having a complete coverage, so you don't need to worry about anything at all. Now, when you got it, there are some business services LegalZoom is going to offer you. So the first thing is tax and legal guidance here. This is going to be like unlimited 30-minute consultation with the independent attorneys about the legal issue, tax issue, if you have tax questions that you can have. And that's pretty much it. You can take the trial or no thanks. And then you're going to see total compliance here, that they help you set up and stay compliant, taking care of annual report fillings and formalities. And if they miss anything, they pay the fine and penalty. So that's great. Now click no thanks or include the trial. And now right here, when you're going to choose a package, you can choose between 3 packages. If you want to have it immediately and in 10 business days, I recommend going with the Express Gold. And you're going to be well off because you're going to have also 7 days a week lifetime customer support. That's huge. Or you can go with the standard or economy. Economy is going to cost you much less, but you're going to wait 30 days. So that's like, So you can choose like Express Gold here. Then they're going to offer you a business checking account that you can create in Bank of America. You don't need to have it, or you can have it, up to you. And then you're going to see right here that Express Gold, okay, we're going to pay $600. You can also edit the package to like economy here. And right here, you click on continue to checkout. And as you can see, you get a single payment or installment plan. And that's pretty much it. Then they will contact you and you're good to go. And this is why I recommend doing this. Only because, guys, you want to focus on actually increasing your revenue, getting more sales. I see plenty of times the starting entrepreneurs are always like messing out with the accountancy, legal stuff, business administration. And you want to focus on like developing the business. And how we can actually do it much more effectively is to create effective processes. Like plan your day in advance. What I want to do tomorrow. Then in the evening, reflect on how much work you actually did in this today and comparing to yesterday. In what way you can be better tomorrow comparing today based on the results of yesterday. And this is what you do. And in 1-2 years, you're going to be a machine. You're going to be so much effective. And I focus on that. So if you want, you can write me an email down below in the description and I can help you and make consultation with you of how we can like start a successful business and completely dominate the market. Not by trying to like advanced strategies, Facebook ads, but actually how you can stay more calm, how you can be more effective, how you can have your mind clear. That's the goal here. Because if you can control your emotions, if you can control your thoughts, no one can beat you. And you're unstoppable then. Thank you.